Hey guys, let's make this food for hormonal imbalance. I remember eating this so much as a kid. To make this delicious food, you're going to be needing some okra, some 3-leaf yam for hormonal balancing, some ugba, of course, our fermented foods. Your gut loves it. Some palm oil, like 2 cups, then some scotch bonnet, utazi, onions, red and white, and some salt. Start by cooking your 3-leaf yam. This is about just 1 branch. And then while that is cooking, let us prepare the raw sauce for it. Pound your scotch bonnets like this. Notice I said pound and not grind. After that, add in your salt. Pound them together. And also slice your onions. You're gonna put it inside your mortar and pound everything together. Like, it has to mix. Yes, it's very necessary. And then slice our utazi. In traditional medicine, utazi is one of the things that I use when it comes to fixing hormonal imbalance that actually works. Pound all of it together. Let's check our 3-leaf yam. At this point, it is almost boiling, so let's add in the okra. Yes, you're gonna add in this okra to cook with the 3-leaf yam. Few minutes later, the okra is already soft, and I'm gonna be bringing this out now. And then with a spoon, that was a big mistake, with a spoon, mash your okra just like this. Yes, mash your okra just like this. Now I'm mixing the okra, the scotch bonnet, pepper, and some ugba in it. Mix it thoroughly, and now I transfer it. Please, it has to be a stainless steel plate. Transfer it into a stainless steel plate and add in your palm oil. Make sure that the palm oil is covering the whole mixture so it doesn't start burning when you put it in your oven. Remember, this is not supposed to cook for a long time. It's just supposed to get hot because almost everything in there can be eaten raw. Most of the ingredients here is going to be releasing their nutrients in this food slowly. So let me tell you why this is actually a superfood. The okra in here is going to be balancing the hormones as well as the 3-leaf yam. The fresh onions in here is going to be giving us our prebiotics. The ugba is the fermented ingredient in here, and every single ingredient in this food makes it a food medicine. And if you want to balance your hormones, this is exactly the kind of food that you should be eating very often. So guys, you are now successfully eating some food medicine. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me for more. Bye.